Morgan, Colorado, but they don't know it yet.
They have no idea that we're here.
We are literally hiding behind this tree until we shoot right to Main Street and make this announcement.
That's why I wore this shirt, because I blend in with my surroundings.
Urban camo, urban camo.
We are going to tell them in just a little while that their town has been chosen by HGTV for a whole town makeover.
It is going to be a huge surprise. I'm so excited. It's like
excited.
Christmas morning. We're Santa Claus.
We are going to do businesses, we are going to do residences, and we are going to do community spaces. It's going to be amazing.
It's a really interesting town with a background in agriculture and in music.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try to find ways to tie all those threads together. We feel like we're on a different planet. We've never been to this part of the United States. And
Yeah, I really thought the Rockies would have been a little more rockier than this.
yeah, we're not in the Rockies. But this is gonna be a really big adventure for all of us. Here we go.
Here we go. Ready? Good walking.
How many people y'all think are going to be there?
I'm predicting 600.
So I hope it'll be 50 people. I don't know.
Anything more than 10 is good.
Fort Morgan is our home.
We're dedicated to the community, and we want Fort Morgan to thrive and to be better.
This is where I grew up, and this is what I want our children to know.
We're just a little city out on the plains, but we've got great stuff. We've been kind of a hidden beauty.
I cannot believe how many of you came to show support and pride for your town. You guys are the heartbeat of this place. Thank you for coming.
And I am so excited to be back in my home state of Colorado.
And the four of us know how important small towns are, and we know how much you all have to offer.
There is a spirit and a pride in small town. I mean, look around. Look at you. You don't find this everywhere. You don't find this in big cities, and we understand that. It is unmatched.
Yeah, I mean, the goal of Hometown Takeover is to take what is already amazing about small towns, that they are amazing places to live, to work, to visit.
That's right. We want to build on that, so that's why.
Fort Morgan, Colorado, you're getting a
Hometown
HGTV just came over. They're doing a hometown makeover. This is like, I can't believe what the heck's going on right now.
Things like this don't happen to people in small little towns like Fort Morgan.
Over the next 4 months, we are going to be renovating homes, businesses,
Community spaces all across this incredible town.
Fort Morgan, thank you. You all are amazing. We cannot wait to get started.
Just so excited to be out here today. We had a wonderful turnout. Everybody in town came out to enjoy the barbecue, enjoy the time together, not knowing what was gonna come of it.
This is finally it. This is finally what our town needs.
Just hoping and praying that we was gonna get this, and it actually happened. I wanna leave my kids with something I never had.
Downtown is kind of a shell. It used to be bustling. Fort Morgan, it's like drying up.
Our main street is on life support.
It's real easy to give up, and we thought about it many times.
When you see other little businesses around town close, it makes you wonder, you know, what's next for us?
There's a lot of times where we would put money out of our pockets to just keep it going.
Pretty much our life savings went into the ice cream shop.
When we opened this place, we had like $100 in our account. To be able to have this opportunity is everything.
It's awesome.
Holy cow.
That was a lot of people, and they were really excited.
They were really excited. It was way more than I expected.
Fort Morgan came out in full force.
They did.
Ready to get this project rolling. We were excited before, we stepped up onto that stage, but now, come on,
like
it's a new
fuel.
level. We are ready to get working.
Yes, it was amazing.